What's going on, beautiful people? D-Lo Brands back for another video. And today we're going to be exploring another one-stop shop for your image generation, your video generation, avatars, and they have some coming soon features that are very cool too. And this is actually a company that you're probably familiar with. So the company that owns CapCut, they have Dramina, and they are ByteDance. So they have their image model, which is Dream 4.0. They have their video model, which is this is Dance 3 and Dance 1 that is powered by. So Dance 1 is what it's powered by, and then they have AI avatars here that you can begin to create your avatar, add your voice, and deploy things like that. We did do a video on Captions AI, which is similar to this, but they don't have image generation, video generation. So we're going to explore it, test out the models, and they do give you 120 free credits every single day. So this is their pricing plan: $0, $0, and then $15 a month, and then $35 a month. So explore it if you want to, but basically they have this really cool kind of interface. I think it looks very modern, but let's just test something out. So they have Image 4.0, which is Dream 4. They have Nano Banana, which of course is Google. They have Image 3, which is Dream 3. So these are going to cost different credits. Of course, 4.0 uses 2 credits. Image 3 uses 0 credits, and Nano Banana uses 0 credits. I don't know, but so let's just come up with a prompt. Actually, let's ask ChatGPT to give us a prompt. Give me random image prompts to try. And if you did not see our video on GPT Atlas, this is ChatGPT's new browser. I'm sure you've heard of it, but this is just one of the use cases that I like, is that right here on the side, I can just bring up and not have to leave the page. I can just copy this, paste it. Let's go 4.0. You can also change the aspect ratio. You can do auto, and they have way more aspect ratios than ChatGPT's image model. So that's what I really like. And they have 4K generations. Now, on the free version, you do get 3 free uses of this, which is very cool. You can create your first image with the 2K size, and then you can go ahead and, just use the other side if you find that that's the actual image you want to go with. And so we can add multiple different props in here. We're just copying and pasting. And one thing that I did notice about this particular site is that it can get a little buggy, but I think that it's okay. Now they also have this other feature right here, which is draw text on image. Let's just say we wanted to put an image in here. So we can use my AI avatar, and we can say draw text on image, which will say, let's say agent. Let's just put agent. A man sitting at a desk with agent behind his head. So for this one, you may want to use Nano Banana, but I think it's cool to use Dream 4 for everything. Dream 4 is a really good image model, so I wouldn't shy away from it. Now, we input a few different prompts, and I did have one failed prompt like this, a close-up that I tried to generate, and it said couldn't generate. So you may encounter that sometimes on this website, but let's just refresh, see if it's actually, so it's captured all 3 prompts that we input, and we're just going to wait and see exactly what they come out with. But while we're doing that, we can go to AI video. So cool thing about Dance, their model, is that you can do first, last frames, and in the middle. So you can upload up to 10 frames inside of this video. And so I think that this is a very powerful thing because it gives you more creative discipline in it. So you can basically choose every single frame, what they're going to turn into, etc., etc. So we're not going to do multi-frame. We're just going to do a regular AI video. So I'm going to get ChatGPT. Now give me AI video prompts to try. And let's do this one, a secret agent. You know, I love all things secret agents, and we can choose our model. We have one model. We can choose our aspect ratio. I think I'm going to go with 3:4, and you can change the duration, but remember that this is going to increase the amount of credits that you're using. So if you do 5, it'll be 25. If you do 10, it'll be 50. Let's do 10. Let's do 10. So we have all of these prompts together being generated kind of at the same time. Hopefully all of them go through, but this video animation is really cool. It says 28% dreaming and it's going up. I think that's pretty cool as a visual. One thing that I will note about Seedream 4.0 is that it takes a little second to generate on this site. It doesn't take a long time to generate on OpenArt. OpenArt is another one-stop shop. They have all of the generation you need. We did another video on them, but whenever I use Seedream 4.0 on OpenArt, it seems to go incredibly fast. And also we see CDance is going incredibly fast as well. So once I have all of these generations, we're going to take a look and just test out exactly what we're going to get. So guys, I'm going to be honest. I have been waiting here for some time. So can I cancel these? Bro, they are not done. So I'm going to go in and change the aspect ratio and just bro, finish. But we did get the video. So let's check out the video. Now we know why this is a Chinese model. This is crazy. As far as this video, I'm going to be honest. This is definitely a very vague prompt, and it gave me exactly what I was looking for. I think this is a good video. It looks pretty realistic. If we made a better prompt, we could get a nice video out of this. But I'm trying to generate an image and it is just simply not working. And I'm not sure why it's not working. But let's see if I can use this character. And we are going to, hi, my name is David from the Views Agency. If you need graphic design, hit me up. I would never do an ad like this, but we're going to do that. Voice, you can choose a voice.
Hi, my name is David from the Views.
Yeah, that's not it. Let's go with something went wrong, something went wrong, something went wrong.
Hi,
So I think there's a lot of there's a lot of bugs on this website.
Hi, my
So
name is
I'm
David
not even so sure that the image generation is going to work. It has worked for me before. Let me choose this one. Yeah, we're going to choose this one. And we're going to Avatar Turbo. Lower cost rapid generation. Okay, bam. Let's send this one. See if it does it. It's going to do the videos. But I generated some photos. This was a JSON prompt that I used. It was basically for my Agent Delo character, but it did it great, honestly. I like it. It's not exactly my character, but I didn't give it a reference photo. So then I gave it a reference photo and I said, create a triptych. of this, if you don't know what a triptych is, it's basically when you see a character in 3 different poses on the same picture, that's a triptych. And it's how people are able to plan out, their character looks, poses, things of that nature. And also how you will be able to give your AI the proper context when you're using a AI character. Check out this video on ChatGPT right now. It is going to show you everything you need to know about consistent characters. So, I'm not so sure why it's not working, but it did generate some good triptychs when it was working. So we got the front view, we got the side view, we got the back view. And, I think it is okay when it actually wants to work, but it just seems like right now it does not want to work. We should be getting our video in a few seconds. Yeah, it's just saying process prompt. And they said Dreamina is currently upgrading at the top right here. So I think that they know that their platform isn't exactly the best right now. See, too many people are generating. This generation might take a while. So we will be back once that's finished. All right, beautiful people. So our images have actually generated. So this is our first one. And I know that it does look pixelated at first, but it is actually loading up the resolution. So this is a very, very nice photo. A lone figure walking through a foggy neon alley. That's cool. I like it. And of course, it gives you 4 versions every single time. So cool. Pretty much the same stuff. Now we have sunset over a futuristic city half submerged in water, flying cars streaking through mist. So we have some flying cars with some LED trails. We have some water right here, some stuff on the buildings. I think it's cool. If somebody wanted to make a game out of a submerged, a racing game out of a submerged city during sunset, I think that this will be a nice photo. But next we have the human brain blooming like a flower in outer space. I don't know what ChatGPT is thinking when it's coming up with these prompts, but and just look at the quality of this, the fidelity of this photo. It is very high quality. Like, you really wouldn't need to go and use a 4K image for this. This is high enough quality right here. And I really, really like this one. I really like this one. This one is nice. I really like this one. So unfortunately, our character video still isn't done. So if that finishes, then I'll put it at the end of the video. But if not, then, whatever. And now we have our last image generation, which is a secret agent walks through a rain-soaked city. And bam. So this was the video prompt that we used. And bam, I like this. Like, if we use this one, so bam, if we use this one, generate a video that says, let's actually use the same prompt, and we don't have enough credits, so that sucks. But I think that would be a nice, first image. But let me know what you guys think about Dreamina. I'm gonna be honest, it's kind of unusable right now, but I think that it gives a lot of leeway for free use. Of course, Nano Banana does too, but I think that this is a lot better only because it generates 2K images and you have all of these different ratios. So try it out. Let me know what you think. The link is in the description. It is not an affiliate. And yeah, man, like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to join the AI Educate AI Lab community on WAP. Tons of stuff are going to be coming out on there. We already have our first free course uploaded on there, as well as some free resources. So just check them out. They're things that have really helped me in my pursuit in AI and experimenting with things. So definitely check that out. But this has been D-Lo Brands, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.